Yeah, I'm reading my Saab, and they give me the 1260 code and the 1251. So I'm gonna replace the throttle body. I went to the pick and pull, and I picked one up yesterday. So I'm gonna replace it, take it apart, and then see. So this is my 2002 Saab 95. All right, I cannot work and video at the same time, so all right, let's go. All right, so we got these 3 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and you got this 1, 2, 3 lines, 4 and 5 in the back, and you remove the intake, the plug, and then you have this one right here. So by that you're gonna remove. So hey, sorry about that, I'm videotaping, working with the one hands, so you know I'm gonna be in and out. So I'm gonna replace my throttle body. All right, so this is the old one that I removed, and this is the one I bought from the pick and pull. So if you look and see, this one stuck in the limbo, whatever they call it, mode. So reset it a couple of times, but it kept coming back. So this one I bought, it looks better. Hope it works. You know, already cleaned it, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I did in case anything fall into the engine. So I want to make sure that, you know, everything stays, you know. So all right, so I'm gonna replace it and see how it works, if everything goes good. All right, I'll let you know how it works. Peace. Well, this is the final installation of the throttle body. This is one I get from Pick and Pull compared to my old one, which I removed, and it's right there. It was given the 1260 and the 1251 code. It said the throttle body sensor. So I just went to Pick and Pull and I pulled one from one of the old cars there, and I replace it. So I hope this shit works. You know, this is a car that I bought for my son, and when I bought it from the auction, I paid $300 for it. So, you know, I replaced the direct ignition. You know, I did the ABS modules, and also the mass flow sensor, all 3 engine and transmission mounts. So it adds up. You know, when I bought it, it had 214,000 miles. I don't know if that was true mileage, but then now we got 226. So my son, he's driving it 10,000 miles already we got on this. So engine mount, which was replaced. I changed the head gasket seals, and I don't think it's leaking anymore. So all right, so let's see what happened. It's a continuously project with the Saab 95. You know, one thing I noticed, I think these cars are too sensitive for teenagers. You gotta make sure you take good care of it because the parts are expensive. And so, but my son, he plays football, music, and he goes to college, so I just think he wanted something to learn to drive. That's his first car. So he's driving it around, beating it up. So maybe next year he'll be able to get a better car when he, you know, a better driver, you know, stop hitting them the curves and stuff like that. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna crank it up and see what happens, and I get back to you.